Did you know that a lot of songbirds are getting poached in Singapore? Hi, I am Dinara. I care about animals, so my group, and I decided to inquire into how human action was hurting some animals and even making some extinct. We have made a website to share our information. One of the things that I found interesting was that some birds and straw-headed bulbul, and for me it was very interesting to research. The part of the exhibition that I enjoyed the most was when we start meetings because sometimes I don't know what to do and it helps me to understand and to work. The most challenging part was when to find where to find the correct answer because the question or other cannot be understood and that happens to me. For example, how many songbirds are getting poached each year? And I was researching, didn't find an answer, but I found the closest one. For my action, I wrote my own poem and the songbird in on the songbirds in Singapore. I enjoyed being a part of the exhibition and I used my thinking skills. I hope you enjoyed our website. Bye.